Hey guys, how you doing? This is Homer Liberty Graphic Designs. Today we're gonna be doing some DTF prints. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so I got a package from Primal. Hopefully you can see it. Primal Graphics. It's a logo right here. Primal Graphics. And Ronnie, that's her name. She asked me if I can make a video on some DTF prints. I was like, yeah, no problem. So she was nice enough to send me some stuff. Let's open it and see what's in it. Instructions. Cool. So that's it. Empty box. Let's watch out. Let's see what oh, this is some fine print. this is actually personalized. It says, "Hey Juanito, I appreciate you doing this." That's pretty cool. So she actually personalized the instructions for me, which is pretty cool. Thank you. Thank you. Let's open this little package. Oh, this is nice. She actually sent, it's sealed in a bag, which is pretty cool. I like that. That way you keep moisture out. I don't think I need a knife to open it. It's pretty cool. Yeah, she sent a lot. Ooh, she sent some Patriots. Let's see what else she sent. Oh, I got a lot of stuff. Look at this. This is pretty cool. This is funny because the niece to where she's always calling me a turtle. Whatever. That is pretty cool. Let me see what's in here. I'm gonna have to ask her about this because I had no idea. Right here, so you can follow them. Look them up on Facebook. That is Facebook, yeah. So Facebook and Instagram. Look them up on both of them. And then I'm assuming that you guys also carry machines. And there you go, the stuff that you can find at Primal Graphics. Custom DTF. Let me show you again. This is actually pretty cool. Cold peel. Nice. Let's open this. I'm excited to open this and see what's in it. She sent a lot. Look at this. Oh wow. Look at that. These things are huge. She sent the skull and she put the Patriots logo on it. Patriots right there. So she knows I like the Patriots. Oh, look at this. What do you call this? Band-Aids. My daughter likes Band-Aids. See, my daughter likes playing with Band-Aids instead of stickers. She likes Band-Aids. That's cool because I got a shirt in there that I can make for her. That is really nice. So this right here, this is probably about 24-inch wide. So that's how big she can probably make the stuff. Look at this. That's my logo. Really nice. More Patriots. And a small logo, Liberty Graphics. Man, this is pretty cool. It's a lot. Nice. Nice. Really, really cool. Look at that. That's quite a bit. Well, let's cut it. Where's my scissors? I didn't even pay attention. This has the actual Texas flag. Huh. Nice. Very, very cool. And the skull has the Patriots logo on the eye sockets. That is really cool. Well, we're gonna use this one. I completely missed this one. Look at that. She put the Mexico flag on the Texas state silhouette. That is pretty cool. That is awesome. Yeah, she sent a lot. I am not complaining. Pretty cool. Okay, so I'm done cutting all the logos because it's a lot. It's quite a bit. So let's start applying some on some shirts, And I'm gonna tell you what kind of shirts I'm using. So this one's gonna be a Gildan 5000 or G500. It's the same model. La Calavera. 308 for 20 seconds. There you go. And I'm gonna cool it down a little bit with this towel. In the instructions, it actually says that a warm peel, it's better. It's a lot of information. So they're cold peel, but if you do a warm peel, it says it's better. And there you go. It is. See that? Warm peel. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press it for another 10 seconds, just to kind of lock in the ink in the shirt. And there you have it. That sucker looks nice. Yeah, really cool. Very hot. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna print one of the sleeves. However, when you print the sleeves, you're gonna find out that you have that seam right there. And that seam always gets in the way, always. So for that, you know my trick. I use one of those little pieces of foam. You can buy this at Joann's, Michael's, Walmart. You can buy it at many places. And on this one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one of my logos. And I like this one right here because it's so small. It has very, very small lines. Those are a pain in the neck. Again, we're gonna press for 20 seconds. 20 seconds at 308. Take some of that heat off so we can peel it warm. That is really, really cool. It released really good. So I'm gonna press it for another 10 seconds. And again, this is just to lock in the ink in the shirt. There it is. I'm gonna try one of the skulls. I think this one will match perfectly with that skull. And on this one, I'm just eyeballing it. I'm not checking for registration or anything, just eyeballing it. There we go, 20 seconds. Let's get some of that heat off. Again, I'm peeling it warm. And it releases really good. See that? Very nice. There you have it. Okay, so now I'm gonna make one for my daughter. Actually, two of them. This one is kind of wrinkled, so I'm gonna press it just a little bit to get the wrinkles out. So what I noticed on this, I can see that it's almost like glitter or metallic. It looks really nice. And because my daughter likes bandages, we're gonna put bandages everywhere. She's gonna be like, oh my god, there's bandages. So I'm just gonna put them everywhere. Okay, so I believe on the instructions it said that this one was cold peel and this one's are hot peel. There you go. And if you notice, I put a band-aid right over that seam because I want to see how good it's gonna release. So we're gonna release this ones first because I know this one's are warm peel. Let's see how they're releasing. Very good. That is awesome. That is pretty cool. My daughter's gonna love this shirt. And then we're gonna do this little turtle. And see, it's releasing really good. Nice. Yeah, that is metallic. Metallic or glitter, whatever they call it. It's not glitter, but it is metallic. I'm gonna put a bunch of these right here. Because she sent me a lot, which is really good. Thank you, Ronnie. Thank you, thank you. Out of all of them, I bet you my daughter is gonna like this. Okay, so that was 10 seconds. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some more bandages, but I'm gonna do them like a, you know, kind of like a crisscross. Look at that, even at 10 seconds. You know what? I think it actually works better at 10 seconds than it does at 20 seconds. Yeah, because they're releasing really good. I mean, as you can see, look, see, it's releasing very, very nice. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put, you know, because my daughter, she usually does this. Look how many more I still have. She sent a lot. Nice. Again, I am not complaining. If you want to send me more, you can send more. Because it might sound like I'm complaining, but I'm not. Then I'm going to press it for another 10 seconds. So there you have it. That's the front. And then that's the back. This is really cool. I don't know what this is. Ronnie, can you comment below and let us know what this is? Because it's made out of neoprene, almost like it's almost like a coaster, but not a coaster. It's pretty cool. See, I still got quite a bit of transfers. But the next thing I want to show you guys is something that I haven't seen anybody do. Maybe it's being done, but I haven't seen anybody do. And for that, we're gonna use my logo. Let me show you what we're gonna do. Denise Stewart actually texted me while I'm making the video, and she said, "Hey Juan, do you know if you can apply DTF transfers to vehicle magnets?" And I was like, you know what, I'm not sure. And she's like, "What, you don't know that?" I was like, "No, but since I'm making the video, I was like, hey, what the heck, let's try it." That's what this is. I usually buy magnets in by the roll, because I got customers that want special sizes, and that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So I'm gonna use this logo to put it on the magnet. So I'm guessing it is gonna work, but I'm still gonna do it again just to find out what happens. On the video that I did about the vehicle magnets, some people were asking me, where do I get the magnets from? I usually get them from Sign Warehouse. You can buy the roll, like you see it here. You can buy the roll like this. I mean, the roll is pretty big. This one, I'm almost done with this. Or you can buy the magnets already made or pre-made. So let's find out if DTF transfers can actually be applied to vehicle magnets. I'm gonna use the same settings. I'm not gonna change anything. It's gonna go for 20 seconds at 308. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, so this one needs to be completely cool or cold. Okay, so on vehicle magnets, it can be done, but you need to do a test before you actually do an actual paint job, okay? The reason why I'm saying is because I didn't get very good results because I pulled it when it was warm. So if you do something like this, make sure it's cold, completely cold peel. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So if you notice right here on the L, it came off because when I pulled it, this was still warm. But other than that, I can see some spots where it didn't quite get the ink that good, but I think it can be done. Again, make sure you do a test and cold peel. I mean, the colder the better, because that's what I did when I saw that it came off. I actually put it on the table, several places in the table, so it'll cool it down, and it released good enough. But let me show you what the piece looks like. See, there's the extra ink that was left behind, and the reason for that is those spottings that you see there. I think the reason is because on fabric, moisture has a way to go to escape. Well, here there's no way to escape that moisture. I mean, it can't go anywhere because everything is completely sealed, right? And that's the reason why. Probably I got that spotting, because too much moisture got trapped on the transfer that it didn't release. But I think it can be done. I mean, this was a really good video. I really liked it. I enjoyed making these shirts, especially Patriots. No, actually my favorite one is my daughter's. This one right here, with all the bandages. That's pretty cool. Here's the other one I did for my daughter with the little small dragon, and I don't know what that is. Kryptonite, the one with the skull. Here's the other one with the other skull. Yeah, I really liked it. It was really cool, especially the magnet. That was nice trying the magnet. So guys, if you're looking for DTF transfers, you know, check out Primal Graphics. Follow them on Instagram. I'm holding Instagram. Follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and I believe they're also on TikTok. So just look up Primal, right here, Primal Graphics. If you want to get machines, they also have machines. So check them out. you know, go to their website. I believe they do have a website. I gotta ask her what this is, because this is really cool. I'm not familiar with this, so I'm not sure exactly what this is. But guys, thank you for watching. This is it for this video. It was a pleasure like always. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to try something being done, like for example, Denise Stewart asked me if it'll work on a vehicle magnet. Obviously, you know, it can be done. So if you guys want to see something being done, if you have a question, like, hey dude, do you know if say for example DTF transfers will work on blah blah blah, you know, whatever it is that you guys want to customize, let me know. We'll try it. We'll see if it works. So thank you for watching, guys. It was a pleasure like always. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and ding the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you, guys. I will catch you in the next one. God bless you. Bye bye. And I will see you later. Adios.